Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrus and Willow Skin Clinic and Citrus and Willow Advanced Aesthetics courses. In today's video, we are bringing you an unboxing from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. We cannot recommend them enough. We absolutely love this company. And it's definitely a game changer in the lash lift and brow lift area. I absolutely love this company. And I have to tell you that if you guys have not checked them out, there's so much to see. They actually have branched off and they have a lot of amazing products. So this is an unboxing with some new products from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. Check it out. The packaging is so beautiful. I love Beautiful Brows and Lashes. Professional. It's black and white, which are such classy colors. And you can just open the box like this. And it comes with a cute little note. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy using our products. Lots of love, team. Don't forget to tag us using @BeautifulBrows. So make sure you guys check them out. Let's see what all is in here. Of course, an invoice and another thank you note. They're so cute, with a QR code as well. It says this package is happy to see you. So cute. Ah, sticker. I love stickers. Little sticker has, and golden eye masks, you guys. These are amazing. I cannot even say enough about these. You put them in the refrigerator, at least I do, and you can pull them out and put them on a client's eyes while you're either doing the lash tint and lift. It adds just a little bit more bouge to the service. They feel really amazing. And if they have inflammation underneath their eyes, it's legit. It has vitamin C in it as well as nano active gold and hyaluronic acid. Wow, I didn't know it had hyaluronic acid and collagen in it. That's amazing. These are amazing masks. This is the first time I've tried their golden eye mask. I've tried others, so I'm super excited. I can't wait. All right, let's see what else is in here. Of course, we've got our lifting and lamination treatment set. We were running low on pretty much everything, so I ordered new boxes of these. This is first step, second step for the lash lift or the brows. These are new curling rods. Oh, I am excited about these because we are gonna try out their curling rods. This is the first time I've tried them out. And it's with their glue, so hopefully these stick. Sometimes a little tip is the tape. If you look back at some of our other videos on lash lifts, you will see that sometimes I put tape above the eye for the oil. I mean, you're gonna cleanse it for sure, but then sometimes that tape just helps these rods stay down. These are very similar to Elibana, so I'm excited. Okay, and here's more rods, large. Okay, so these are probably small, medium, and then these are large. You just never know. I rarely use the large, but if a client does not want that big lift and they want more of just a little lift with their lashes still straight, you can kind of do that with the large. It'll have a little bit of a curl at the end. Make sure they have healthy, strong lashes for that though. Okay, now we have brow glue, brow balm glue. What? Okay, this is for retail, you guys. This is the biotin and keratin treatment for the brows and the lashes. So you can retail this. I forgot what the amount was, but just check out their website. You'll be able to look at it. Sign up for an account with them if you don't have it. They have some great stuff. So these are just the glue that holds the brows up. You want to get up every morning and put this on. And it's really great to have as retail because you're gonna just sell it with a service. If they get a brow lift, you're gonna say, you really need this to keep your brows up. Just do it every morning. A lot of people don't understand that they actually need to brush their hair up after that every morning, and preferably using some sort of brow glue to keep them up. The way we sleep makes a big difference. If we sleep on our side, it's gonna bring the hairs to a different side. Or on your face. Sometimes you have the people who can sleep on their back with that, but you still need to get up and just brush them every morning. It's also stimulating. It helps to stimulate the brow hair to come back. But yeah, these are really cute. Cute packaging. It says biotin and keratin on it, which is amazing. So I really love this. I'm excited to put this on my retail shelves. There's one more thing left, but I wanted to show you the cute little things they put in the boxes. So you get a pin, Starburst, more stickers, which I love. So cute. They really, really make a good presentation, which I love. And the last thing that I did order was lash cleanser. I cannot tell you enough how important it is to cleanse the eye area and the lashes. You need to get that oil off of it. Otherwise, it's a nightmare to use the glue. So I bought their lash cleaner to try this out. So this is a first for this too. I'm super excited about all my products, and seriously, Beautiful Brows and Lashes is an amazing company. I love everything they have on their website. Definitely check them out, sign up for them. I am so excited. This is my reorder. I am just now diving a little deeper into their line because I really loved their lash lift packets. They were similar to Elibana, but I was having such a hard time with the glue, so I wanted to try a new company, and they have not failed. Beautiful Brows and Lashes is such a great company. I absolutely love using them in my clinic. If you guys have not checked them out, make sure that you check them out. They have lots of other stuff. Next time, I will probably have more. This is a reorder video. So new products on my shelves and new back bar, just adding a little bit more to my treatments. I hope you guys like this video. Definitely click that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.